Hi guys, it's Micah. Today I'm back for the AAA cards challenges. It's number 192. One corner plus the optional twist of childhood memories. And here's the card that I made. Now, I chose this digi from Sneakje Stamps, or Stamps, it's a Dutch Sneakje Stamps. I linked it down below, just like the blog and everything you need to know. It's free, you can download it from her blog. I have to say, I assumed I was read bedtime stories. I don't remember it. I'm old and it was such a long time ago. I don't know. I think so, but yeah. There's no photographic proof. So anyway, the optional twist, childhood memories, thank you Ishani, was chosen by her. And I didn't know what to do. This is my take on it. One corner, optional twist of childhood memories. And I'm coloring it with my graphite markers. And then I'm putting tape runner on the back. You will see that there's another print of the same digi. But it ended up higher. Not as much tucked in the corner as this one. So that's why there's another print on the back of this paper. But just ignore that and enjoy the coloring. And I will see you in, I don't know, a few days. I don't know what day it is. Enjoy the coloring. I hope you will join us. As I said, all the links are down below. And I'll see you again soon. Until then, bye.